Guys, Ashish this side. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the scholarships in New Zealand. So though in this video I'll be telling you about 10 to 15 scholarships of New Zealand, but then this will give you a fair idea of the kind of scholarships that are available, and then on the basis of that you can research on your own on the basis of the courses and universities you are opting for. So with that, let's see the scholarships of New Zealand. You have University of Canterbury College of Engineering International Scholarship. So this scholarship recognizes top international scholars and supports them in study towards an undergraduate engineering degree at the University of Canterbury in Christchurch, New Zealand. 35 scholarships are available annually. Now let's see what is the eligibility and what you get in this. So recipient must be full fee paying international student excluding citizens of and permanent residents of New Zealand and Australia. Award recipient will be awarded 15,000 New Zealand dollars, and then the deadline varies depending on the program you apply for. So program to program you will see the deadline, change in deadline. Next is Brownlee Scholarship. So this scholarship supports students for study towards a research doctoral degree at University of Canterbury. So for this student who have been selected for University of Canterbury doctoral scholarship, after having applied in May of the same year, will be automatically considered for these scholarships. So if you are applying in May intake or in May, then you will be automatically selected for this. The recipient will be awarded 26,000 New Zealand dollars per annum and fee at the domestic rate and not at the international rate. The deadline is October. Next is Nelson Marlborough Institute of Technology scholarships. This is NMIT offers various scholarships supporting students enrolled at the institution. So eligibility is that it varies depending on the scholarship. Varies depending on the scholarship, and the deadline again varies depending on the program you apply for. So generally the best part is to check the official page of the same. Next you have is New Zealand scholarship. The New Zealand government, so this is a government scholarship, offers New Zealand scholarship to eligible citizens of developing countries conducting their undergraduate and postgraduate academic study in New Zealand and in the Pacific. So you will need to check the official page of New Zealand scholarship. Recipient will be awarded full tuition fee, allowance of 491 New Zealand dollars per week, and establishment allowance of 3,000 New Zealand dollars, medical as well as insurance, round trip travel reimbursement, and cost of research and thesis. A lot is available in this. Deadline is not specified for this scholarship. Now you have Victoria International Excellence Scholarship. The purpose of the Victoria International Excellence Scholarship is to recruit high achieving undergraduate international students currently studying in New Zealand to Victoria University of Wellington to support them in their studies. Now this scholarship is open to international students who have completed at least one full year, their 12th year, at New Zealand secondary school and who are enrolling at Victoria University. Recipients will be awarded up to 20,000 New Zealand dollars over 3 years paid towards tuition fee, and the deadline is November. Then you have the University of Auckland Undergraduate Scholarship. The University of Auckland offers scholarships annually to incoming undergraduate students regardless of their personal background. So this scholarship, the scholarships are open to students enrolled in the university's undergraduate program, and you will be awarded 20,000 New Zealand dollars. The deadline is August. Next you have is Victoria Masters by Thesis Scholarship to encourage postgraduate research. At Victoria, the university offers a scholarship to students about to begin a full-time research focused master's degree. So if you are enrolling in the research focused master's degree, then this is the scholarship which is available. The scholarship is open to students who are eligible at the time of application to enroll for a master's degree by thesis. Award recipient will be awarded a 15,000 New Zealand dollars tax-free stipend. International students other than those from Australia will be liable to pay the difference between the full international student fee and the domestic fee. Deadline is November. Then you have a University of Canterbury International First Year Scholarship. This scholarship recognizes and supports top achieving international students commencing an undergraduate degree program at the University of Canterbury. 25 scholarships are available annually. The eligibility for this scholarship is recipients must be full fee paying international students, excluding citizens and permanent residents of Australia and New Zealand. You will be awarded 20,000 New Zealand dollars. The deadline varies depending on the program you apply for. So with this we have come to the end of this video, but the purpose of creating this video was to give you a glimpse of what are the kind of scholarships available. You have government scholarship, you have institutes scholarship, then you also have private funding scholarships. Now I understand that you may have certain queries, so I have put in the details in description on how you can contact us. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe, like this video, comment, share with your friends. This channel has a lot of content on study abroad, be it different countries, courses, universities and much more. So you can explore as many videos as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay connected.